In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off comments on Facebook posts. If you want more control over who can respond to what you share on Facebook, this is a useful setting to know. It can help reduce unwanted replies, limit distractions, and keep conversations on your posts more manageable. Before we begin, it's important to understand that Facebook doesn't always offer a universal turn off comments button for every personal post in the same way some other platforms do. In many cases, what you can do depends on the type of post and where it was published. To get started, open Facebook and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, go to the post where you want to manage comments. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct post, especially if you've recently shared several updates. Next, tap or click the three-dot menu on that post. This menu opens additional options related to the post, including settings for visibility, editing, and audience controls. Look through the available options carefully because the exact wording can vary a little depending on whether you're using the Facebook app or the desktop version. If Facebook provides a comment control option for that post, select it. You may see a setting that allows you to change who can comment. Choose the most restrictive option available if your goal is to effectively turn comments off or limit them as much as possible. On some posts, Facebook may let you restrict comments to certain people, such as friends or profiles and pages mentioned in the post. This is often the closest option to fully disabling comments. If you're managing a post in a Facebook group, a page, or certain public posts, the controls may be different. In those cases, Facebook sometimes offers stronger moderation tools, and you may be able to disable commenting more directly. Just follow the same process by opening the post menu and checking the available settings. After selecting your preferred comment setting, confirm the change if prompted. Then refresh the post or return to it to make sure the update has been applied. It's a good idea to test the result by viewing the post the way others would see it, so you can verify that comments are now limited